Hello, today I'm gonna make for you corned beef or bully beef with peas, gungo, sweet peas. So the ingredients is 1 can of corned beef. This is a big one, but you can use the 180 gram. You don't need an onion, small size, medium size if you're cooking a big one. 2 garlic cloves or 3 beef. Garlic the garlic in my opinion will help counteract any bacteria that might be in this while processing. Stalk of scallion, about 2 or 3 tablespoons of oil, and a teaspoon of salt, half of a scotch bonnet pepper. A teaspoon of fermental seed is optional though, and I like to sprinkle some dried basil and dried parsley, about a 1/4 teaspoon each, and thyme, piece of thyme, just for flavoring. Okay, so prep your seasoning. This is the scallion. Strip that, rinse off your thyme, garlic cloves, just kind of shell these, shell your garlic clove, and smash it. Smash it, smash it, smash it. Smash it as fine as possible. Just be careful. Smash it, smash it, smash it. Make sure no trash is in it like that. Dice the onion, and then just dice the scallion too as well. Kind of keep them separate. Keep the garlic separate. Keep these separate. Alright. This is our corned beef. So dirty it is. Make sure it's clean. Let's clean it off. Alright. The key for this, look. The key, I forgot to make sure that the key was on it. Anyway, I'm gonna do it the old fashioned way. Let's see if we can open that way. At first, it's the very first time I'm opening up a corned beef like this. Just cut away from you. That's important. Cut it away from you. Just do that. Alright, so I just slipped and I kept it away from me. Caution. You never go wrong. Be cautious. You never go wrong. Okay, now put to eat for a frying pan for stewing. Put the stove gauge on 4, and if the pot is dry you can add the oil. About 2 tablespoons or 3. While you wait for that, you can open this. Make sure it's clean. I'm surprised you guys didn't say buy a can opener, but you know what, I enjoy using it. I kinda like doing this. Alright, so I just slipped and it went that way. My hand wasn't in. And just remove the water. This brown peas look pretty. Tastes good too. Saw this brand ad on my website. So now I'm testing it. It's to add that I saw why I actually went and buy this. I saw it and I said, let me try it. No affiliation with it. I'm not even going to show you the company. You can figure it out for yourself. But I have no affiliation with them whatsoever. After a minute, add the onions and the scallion. Onions first if you can. Just allow it to saute. For 30 seconds, add the scallion. You see, if you like your onions sauteed like myself, you can do this. But if you like onions raw, you don't have to saute it as much as me. Some people actually cook it raw. Allow it to saute. After 30 seconds, add the garlic. You want the onions to sort to caramel like that. So it's kind of caramelly around there. That's what you want. Alright, then after you saute the onions, add the corned beef. Turn the stove gauge on low. In a little, so I'm going to add a little oil. Drip a little water. That much. Let's cover it. With the stove's gauge on low. It's about this much water. About less than a quarter of the can. About this much water. Less than a quarter of the can. Add the pimento. Time. Dried herbs, the pepper, this piece cut off, the salt, about a quarter teaspoon. If you want to add more, taste it first. I'm going to use some ketchup too. And just stir this up. Alright, so that's it. Now, add the peas. And then you can add some ketchup if you want. I put a little bit. Just a little bit. And just stir it. That's corned beef with peas. Now to serve. I'm just gonna taste it because I'm not ready to eat it. corned beef and green peas. Alright, let's taste this thing now. You can tell by how I'm eating how it tastes. Peas taste nice. Peas taste nice with everything. Thing good. So that's how it tastes. Good. Simply to make an easy meal. Corned beef and peas. Bull beef and peas. Although you saw me use a little bit of salt for that big can. It's kind of salt, so you don't have to put any salt in it if you don't want. It's not overly salt, but you can tell that salt was in the corned beef. Enjoy.